Right guys, so this is just going to be a quick video based on tomorrow's Player of the Month award that's going to be handed out in a squad builder challenge released on FIFA. The chances are it's going to be Dele Alli or Harry Kane. There are some outside chances as well, but it's most likely going to be one of these two. The problem I'm having here is both of them play for Tottenham and both of them are English. So I'm on Xbox at the moment. If we look at marquee matchups, we've got a Liverpool against Spurs challenge, requiring a minimum of either 4 Liverpool or 4 Spurs players. This is massively going to affect the market if a Spurs team was required for the Dele Alli challenge. Now on Xbox as well, we do have another challenge. It's for the lone Rio Ferdinand. And on this one, you need 7 English players of exactly gold rarity. Again, this really messes up with the theory that they're gonna release a nation-based one of English players. This is what led me to thinking of different alternatives, different possibilities of what they could be releasing. So we're gonna have a quick look at some alternative options and try and find some value within it. So if we were to assume that Dele Alli won it, who is most likely, he has one previous club, and that club is MK Dons. If we do a quick search for a maximum buy it now of 1,000 coins, you can see we have less than 2 pages. We basically have 1 page up, and they're all selling for 950 or 1,000 coins. In reality, you're probably a little bit late to be picking up cards at this price and hoping to make a huge profit. But what it isn't going to hurt doing is sniping these players, bidding on these players, or just picking them up in any other means possible for as cheap as you can. I've got about 40 of these in my club in the series that we're doing. We're going to probably relist these tomorrow morning before the event's announced, just to remove any risk. We'll still sell them on for a huge profit. Maybe not as big as if they are needed for the challenge, but we're not going to lose coins this way. Another possible option is a full League One team. Now, as you know, Dele Alli played for MK Dons, so this would make sense. And Harry Kane previously has had loan spells at clubs in the Championship, League One and League Two. So this covers 2 potential areas. If I was to invest here, what I'd be looking to do is picking up an inform. If we have a look on the market at the moment, the cheapest League One informs are going for about 8,000, 8,200 coins. We've got this guy here who sells for about 9,000 anyway. Picking up one of these, as long as you're picking them up at base price, as close to what they normally sell for, is going to be risk-free as well. And if they do throw a curveball of a full League One team with 1 special card, you're going to make an absolute killing. And if it's not needed, you're going to have picked it up at such a great price that you'll be able to sell it on, breaking even, if not just making a few hundred coins profit. Now, another possibility they could go for is they could base it on the previous careers of the player. So potentially the first club that Dele Alli scored against for Tottenham, or the first club that he scored against when playing for England. This could go for Harry Kane as well. We could also see a repeat of what's happened previously, where they bring up the next few matches for Tottenham. So just have a look at the next calendar month, or the current calendar month, who they're playing against, and then they could bring up a challenge based on that. Now, I'm not saying for sure that they're not going to use a Tottenham squad, they're not going to use an English squad, they're not going to use X, they're not going to definitely use Y. These are just some different ideas that not a lot of people are thinking of at the moment. We can invest in them for minimum risk, and then if they don't come off, we'll make our coins back anyway. If they do come off, we're going to make huge profit because we thought slightly different to other people. If you guys do enjoy this kind of shorter video, just with some ideas and trading insights into what could happen, then let me know down below, leave a like and please subscribe if you're new.